Hey everybody, so I've been away for a little bit, but I have been away and very busy. I just want to show you really quick what I've been working on. So a while ago, I made a promise that I would make this stuff available, make my function spaces available, and I've been working on another project called my type diagnostic. It's super bare bones right now, it's alpha stages. I just threw it up online, and so check it out. I'm going to show you now just a little bit of what is here. There's the function spaces project and there's the type diagnostic project. So if you go into function spaces, you'll see the spaces online. You can go in and you can see the different spaces, and then you can compare and contrast the different materials in each space. So concrete sensations, and then you can contrast those, with noumenal transcendent sensations, and you can kind of see where the test is going. So as of now, for the pulled materials with the magnets, those are all comes from Young's theory. I have those kind of a quick explanation in text up at the top, but my theories, the pushed materials with, for example, with the pushed like wind arrows, for right now I just have text placeholders right there still, but I will be filling this all in the coming weeks. You can click on the different buttons. You can learn about intuition, what I mean by intuition, what I mean by the noumenal world, and you can just click on stuff there and kind of compare and contrast the different ways that the different materials are moving inside of our psyche. So like I said, I seriously just threw this up in a couple of days in an unfinished state. There's tons of missing text, there are misspellings, and I just tried to get it up as fast as I could. So I'll be fixing things little by little as I go. Let's check out the type diagnostic. This is the new thing I just made. So my ideal is that this would be a sphere, but I just don't have the time to work with the software that I need to work. For now, I'm just using this cylinder image, but it works fine for what it is. You can rotate it, and you can get to the different types. You can flip to introverted side, and you can rotate it. Basically, what you see from your perspective is consciousness, and what you can't see is unconscious. So from this perspective, what you see right here, the most conscious in this view, would be thinking, and that's in the introverted side. So that's the most conscious. The next most conscious thing is the secondary developed function, which is intuition in this case, introverted intuition. And then what you can't see, and the most farthest from your view, from your eyesight, of course, is extroverted feeling. So it just gives you a visual perspective of what's happening. And as I go, I'll be updating the site. I'll be putting more information and putting some more models up, just making it work a little bit faster and modeling things a little better. For the interactive type test that I'm still working on, I'm doing a lot of brainstorming in my Slack group through various communications that I've had. A lot of people have given me really awesome input. I've gotten input that I need to work on some better models so that it can be a more simplified explanation. So that's where I'm going, and how the test will actually be performed is still, I'm still working out the details. I have the idea in my mind, but the small details of how it will take place, I'm still working that out. But I'm really excited for what's to come. So I'd be really happy if you just checked out my Spaces project and just look around there a little bit and tell me what you think. Please join my group in Slack and give me some input so I can improve this going forward. So I'm just really excited about the direction that things are going. Yeah, so check it out. Links in the comments.